In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a widget to a page in WordPress. Whether you're looking to enhance your site's functionality or improve its overall layout, widgets are a powerful way to add new features to your pages with just a few clicks. From contact forms to calendars, widgets offer endless possibilities to personalize your WordPress site. Stick around, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add and customize widgets to make your pages stand out. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's jump in. The first step is to open your web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look to the upper corner of the screen for the login button and click on it. This will take you to the login page. Now, for the simplest and most seamless login experience, I recommend choosing the Continue with Google option. This method allows you to quickly log in using your Google account, eliminating the need to remember another password. Just make sure that you're using the Google account that's linked to your WordPress site. If you're unsure, double-check before proceeding. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Select the account that's linked to your WordPress site, and you'll be taken directly to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're in the dashboard, let's move on to finding the page you want to edit. Look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on the option labeled Pages. This will bring up a list of all the pages on your site. Scroll through the list to locate the specific page where you'd like to add a widget. Once you find it, click the Edit button next to the page name to open the page editor. Inside the page editor, your next step is to add the widget. To do this, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on the Add button. This opens up the block library, which is where all your available widgets and content blocks are stored. Here, you have a few options for finding the widget you need. You can scroll through the library to browse all the available widgets, which is great if you're exploring or looking for inspiration. Alternatively, if you know exactly what widget you want, use the search feature at the top of the library to type in its name. Either way, once you find the widget you want, simply click on it to add it to your page. Once the widget is on the page, you'll notice that you can drag and drop it into your preferred location. This is where you can get creative and align it with your page's layout. You can also customize the widget settings to match your site's theme and style. Depending on the widget, you might be able to adjust colors, fonts, or other design elements to make sure it fits seamlessly with the rest of your content. After you've positioned and customized the widget, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save or Update button, typically located in the upper right corner of the editor. Click on it, and your changes will go live on your page. And there you have it. You've successfully added a widget to your WordPress page. By following these steps, you can continue to enhance your site's functionality and design with ease. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.